Hi there, I'm Marisa and welcome to Marisa Home. Today we're going to do a craft. We're going to make a holiday wreath. So if you have a couple extra branches from your Christmas tree, don't get rid of them. Let's repurpose it and make this really pretty wreath. I do something like this every year and it is a lot of fun. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna start with this one first, but before that, I'm gonna look for the seam of this 20-inch hoop. Make sure that gets covered. And then I'll take my first sprig and just kind of place it on here. Take a look at my points of contact and where I'm gonna secure this. So I have a couple down here and it looks like maybe one. I could probably get away with two up here. So I'm gonna use fishing string, just a clear plastic string to secure this, and along with some hot glue. So we'll see how that goes. So take a bit on the first knot. I'll actually do this on the back. And just create a knot. I think I'm going to do this twice. Go around again. Now I think I'm going to put some glue down because the glue I think will help to keep it secure. You know, the knot's tied, but it's not going to keep it adhered to the hoop. Let's make sure that's setting right. Then we wait for it to dry, and then we'll cut the additional string off. While that's drying, we'll go ahead and start on the next area to secure. And then we'll cut the additional string. All right, and let's wait for that to dry completely before we put the next sprig on. All right, so we've turned it back over. We're back to the front, so we can put the second sprig on to see where it will lie and how we want it to lie. Kind of like it filled in like that. So let's turn this back over. and work on getting this one set. Take our fishing line. Where the hoop and the branch intersect, that's where we're going to secure and tie the fishing line. Can go around twice. That one's a little loose. Want to make it as tight as possible. Luckily, fishing line is very strong, so we'll loop it around again and tie it in another knot. Okay, and then we will put hot glue. And let it dry. And let's see, I think our other point is down here. So we'll do these branches together. And then we'll cut these extra pieces off. And let's let these dry. These points dry before turning it back over. All right, so now that these points have dried, let's go ahead and turn this back over so we can take a look at how it looks and take our last sprig and place it on here, see where we would like it to go. I think I like that. All right, so let's turn this back over so we can tie this one down. Grab your fishing line and looks like I've got an intersection right about here. Let's cut off the extra fishing line. And then wait for these points to dry before we turn it back over. All right, so here's the front. I wanted it to be like off balance. And now I'm just gonna add a bow, of course. Of course. I'm gonna keep this one really simple. And you can add ornaments, bells, bows, snowmen, stars, you know, get creative. I just had in my head something really simple. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut my ribbon just a bit. And there we go. We have our wreath.